Ayesha. This is Ayesha and this is Jahara. Those two are just my friends, so let's go. Let's just go. No time to waste. Let's go here. Come. Hey. That three. That three. Yo! The trio. The trio. Yo! So close. Yo! Oh, good thing. Good thing. Bro, why are you guys... What? Why are you guys screaming though? Eh. Where are you guys? Uh, where? Nah, leave. Nah, let's go again. Let's go again. By the way, we are playing Midnight Cleaners. Hopefully they don't make me scream or they will scream. I hope they don't scream. I have headphones on. What? What? I'll become deaf after this? Oh, oh, okay. Well, just join. Just join back. Join back. Why did I even join this call? Okay, let's go now. Okay, so okay, I'm jumping to. Let's go. Okay, what are you gonna say? What are you gonna say something to the video? What? What? What are you gonna say, Ayesha? You almost made me laugh there, but okay, let's go down. Let's go down. No time to waste. Wait, wait, bro. Just not. Can you guys chat instead of talking, please? Okay. Let, of course, I'm a male. I'm a man. I'm a man. I'm a man. Yuck! Yuck! This is so goofy. Who's this? this this looks like GTA. What hey, what are you guys doing? What? Hey, wait, what? What? Yo, what are you doing? You know what? Go back and time in for work, okay? Clothes, okay. Put the clothes on the washing machine. Is is this like where do we put it though? Oh, it, yo, it won't work. Oh, Nana, what? Who is this? Um, who is this Jahara or Ayesha? Wait, wait, what do I look like? I'm looking at their screen. Bro, that's not even you. Let's let's just do our job. What? No, they don't hear you. Just chat. That was loud. Oh no. Oh no. Ah! Yeah, is the problem, officer? Hey, what are you doing at this time of night? What do you mean? These are my working hours. Listen, I'm a detective. Yap, yap, yap. No, okay. You can stay here, but be aware of, bro. You did. Oh, if you see anything, bro, just let me read. Hindi yun, hindi yun hindi yun mabango. It means, guys, guys, it means it's not clean, or it's not, what do you call this again? Or it's not good smell. Who is this guy? It's time for the inspection. Do you know who I am? I don't know. You're the imaginer of this place, right? Yes, you must be new here. Yes, I am. Well, tell you what, just the match and okay. We can you just make sure everything is fine. Everything is fine, sir. Everything is fine. Everything is fine. That kind of looks like, yo. Not not gonna nice. Wait, let me see. He has a big cat. Nah, teacher can. Teacher can. Bro, he has no hair. By the way, that cat look big. That cat. Wait, yo, that that's racist. Place is the same as usual. The light in the back needs some fixing other than. Can you guys let me read? that, that one looks like the manager. I'm about to pee. YOLO, no, 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 YOLO. Oh no. Oh no. We better hide. We gotta hide. We gotta hide. What do I look like? Uh, me handsome. Me handsome. Me handsome in this game. Oh, okay. Thank you very much. I wanna poop. Bro, look at the chat. I wanna poop. Put cash in the cash register. Actually, I'm just gonna take it. De, joke lang. Joke lang. What? It's not a kid. Wait, how do I do that? Do I mo hindi mo sinarado yung pinto. Guys, it means you didn't even close the door. I'm ta- I'm good at Filipino. Yeah, finally, first time I'm good at Filipino. Kinda though. Okay. Hang on. Bro, what? Hey, you. I left, I left Ayasha outside. Why does Ayasha call Johara baby girl for no reason? Hey, yo, that's kind of sus. Yo, Ayasha. Wanna, can I tell something? I might tell that to teacher Karen. The one that you just called to Jahara. So should I? Even though she has a boyfriend? Okay, that's a good idea. I should do it. I'll say that I like her hair. That she's hot or something. Okay. Put that in the basket in I want okay. Yo. Yo, a choo choo train. Nice car you got there. Wait. What? Bro, he's too young. You're too young to drive a car. Don't mind me. What will you do, buddy? What will you do? Let me see what are you gonna do. Me just making sure. Pour bleach. Okay. Yo! Guys, these girls are kinda noisy. No, they will not hear you. You have to chat, not talk. So how much will that? That will be 10,250 pesos. What? What did you just say? What did you just say? Yo, mama. Ugh. What is this? Bro, bro, just let me read. You know, you guys read it. Uh, I don't read that fast. Okay. Good luck out there. Here, there's some people now. Yeah. Bro, bro, you're too young to drive a car, buddy. You're too young. Yep, I hope he crash. Bro, Put it in the cast red. Put it in. There you go. That was loud. That was loud. Who was that? That screamed. Yo, that was too loud. Oh my god. Wait, what? Okay. What? Guys, what did Jahara said? I don't understand. Wait. Let me use Google Translate. Then, then what does it mean? I'm not that good in Tagalog. Yep, I'm kid friendly. Uh, yes, I'm kid friendly. It's because I am a YouTuber. That nah. Oh, it means it's that's bro. Put it in the cash register. Yo, that's really a swear word. But let me still use Google Translate. Filipino to English. Okay, here we go. Oh, it means chin. It means your chin. Nah, make it friendly. Make it friendly. Make it friendly. Is that a Karen or something? Why me? Why me? Me already taken. Me already taken, bro. You want me to smell that? Bro, bro, me taken. Help me though. These two, these two girls are so sauce. It's packed outside. Yo, I see that. Yo, I see someone there. Sorry, uh, no, we are gonna go to jail. We're gonna go to jail. No, no, we don't know. He has a mustache. He has a mustache. Ay, Sawa ko din. um, no, don't tell me that's a kidnapper. Yo, ketchup there. There's ketchup. Wait, am I having goosebumps right now? Oh wait, I am. That, that's that's ketchup. That's ketchup. That's ketchup. Not not that red liquid. Make it friendly. Guys, I'm kid friendly. Bro, that's blood. I mean, blood is not that kind of a bad word. It's not that it's not that bad. Hey, what's up? Sorry. What? What's with those? Oh, da. No, no. I'm trying to. That's why I don't. Oh, hindi siya nakakatakot. It means he's not even scary. He's not scary. Hoy! Hoy, sumurado kayong pinto. I think it means hey, close the door. Huh? Yo. Yo, I see that. I see something. Um, then what? Then where's the fire extinguisher? The Englisher. Yakot tamad. Guys, it means lazy. I'm not lazy, guys. I'm only lazy when I'm waiting for full moon and black fruits, guys. Huh? What did you say again, Ayesha? Okay. Bro, I did confess to teacher Tiana. I'm looking for some. Yo, who is that? No, sorry, I haven't. Hopefully, hopefully I'll come back here. If I did, if I don't find it. Oh wait, I think I found that guy with the red shirt. There you go. It's called the car. Yes, it's you. Of course. I want to be small. Guys, we are recording for 25 minutes, still not ended. I just want to go hunt for full moon. I'm having goosebumps right now. Wait, what? Hindi ako tuwa. You almost made me say the swear word. Guys, it means the S word. Come, guys, we're kid friendly. That's not even Jisoo. Guys, they're just very obsessed on K-pop. Ayash Ayash's husband is named Hyusong. Yes, that's true. That's true. Hyosung from Hit and Hyped. Okay, okay. But, huh? Oy, sino yun? Guys, it means, oh, who is that? Ano? Yo. Yo. Who? Hello, old grandpa. Just say it in chat, Ayesha. And wait, wait. Okay, okay. Type it in chat. Type it in chat. Okay. Hopefully you don't say anything. Hello, old grandpa. Oi, close the door. I always look at my dog poop and smell it. Yuck! Yuck! But guys, can I? Haha, it smells good. These girls are so weird. You and then and then Ayasha, don't say my next, please. Hey, I heard ice cream. Huh? What scream? Do you know where it may came from? I think it came from one of the nearby grocery shops. Then where? Ricardo, do Bombaya. How am I supposed to do that? Ha? Bro, I'm not a girl. Okay then, if you pay me some teacher kind of videos. Okay, do Bombaya at teacher Kiana. That's easy peasy. No, cause I saw my 3-year-old friend eat poop because I said it's chocolate. Guys, teacher Kat is my second favorite teacher. But my favorite teacher is totally my advisor, of course. Okay, let's try it. What does it mean? Come on. What does it mean? Bombaya makes your gulping. Bro, the, oh, wait. So which means? so, 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 so Jahara, you thought, yo, what? What? Why are you screaming? Okay. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Okay, let's go. Here. Let's go. Wait. Wait. So Jahara, you're saying that I have to go up teacher Kiana? Hey, you, I'm not gonna do that. I'm not gonna do that. I'm not gonna go up teacher Kiana. Oh no. Bro, what do you think? Am I the boyfriend of teacher Kiana? What the? What do you think? I'm the boyfriend of teacher Kiana? Oh, here's the guy. Get him! Yep, not gonna lie. Ay, tolang! Tolang naman! Tolang! Tolang! Asim mong kinikili ba? Takbo pa mo. Sige, sige. Sige, baka kala mo ha. Guys, stay together. Stay together. I'm getting goosebumps already. Oh, sige. I'm getting... Oi, 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 get him! Get out! I'll let you guys go there. Yo. Yo. Nah, you the weakling. And again, bro is a scaredy cat. What I gotta pee so bad? Guys, let me pee. Let me pee for a while. Let me pee. Oh, finally. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Come. Guys. Guys, what are you waiting for? Let's go. Rhyme. Yes. That's the trip. Okay. Wait, guys. Let me just do this for a while. So, guys, that's the end of the video. So, bye.